having a wonderful day. Today's just crazy. I'm gonna put you here while I brush my hair. I just got back from running errands. Close the door. Elf has his squeaker toy. It's a gross, gloomy day. Raining and then the sun pops up for 5 minutes and then it's back to gloomy raining. And also my hair is just so big and crazy from it all. But anyway, we're back. I just ran over to the library. So earlier today I was reading Deep End by Allie Hazelwood, I think her name is. It's okay. Honestly, it kind of reminded me of 50 Shades of Grey, just in the sense of like the writing. I don't know, book I've read by her, and I've heard that she's a good author, so maybe I'll give her like another book another chance. I don't know, I didn't really like it. I finished it, but it was meh. So I returned that, and then I picked up Notes on Execution. I heard this was really good, so I'm really excited to read this. Yeah, so I grabbed that. I ran into Shoppers to pick up more concealer because I'm running out, so I'm gonna switch that out now before I forget, because I'm just gonna have empty concealer things here for a while. I'm always mixing between shades at this time of year. So I have 10 mixed with shade 15. So I just picked up 2 of those. They're getting so expensive now. Like Maybelline regular price is $14.99 and they were on sale for $8.99, which is still like, it seems like a lot. So I don't know, but anyways, that's garbage now. And then I just grabbed backup toothbrushes because they were on sale, so those will be my backups. I ran to the grocery store, picked up a couple things for dinner. Brendan picked up lamb chops. They were on sale at Costco, but we've never had them before, so we're excited for that. So I just grabbed up a couple things, and then I have some meal prep items that we'll do later that we'll see. But right now I want to organize the bathroom just before I get into cooking, and then I'm like done for the night. So I grabbed this like 3-part container set, or sorry, 3 multi-pack clear storage bins from HomeSense bathroom. So we have 2 containers here and then a big one. Whoops. I don't know if I'll use the big one for the bathroom, but right now this is what we're gonna do. Let me show you what we're working with here. I have the top drawer, this cupboard, and the bottom drawer, and Brendan has the middle and the bottom drawers there, and that's just like first aid stuff. Just a disaster. Like, I've just thrown everything everywhere. We need to clean this. This is also just a disaster. Again, I've just thrown things in there, and yeah, it's just, things are all over the place. My drawer of all of my stuff. So I don't know if I want to put, that does technically, so maybe I'll use one of these things in here to help organize all of that. Basically, I only want this to be like 20 minutes, so I'm not gonna put a huge amount of effort into it, but I know it needs to get done. So we're just gonna pull everything out and then put everything back in. Brendan's just drywalling the mudrooms. You hear drills in the background, that's him. I'll show you an update on that soon. Enough chatting, let's get into pulling all of this stuff out and organizing it, because right now it's just chaos. I don't think there's any organization to it. It's just pure chaos. So let's go. This is what we have for my makeup. It just seems so chaotic, but I have no idea how to organize it because everything's down, so it's like I can't see it face up. So this I feel like is more chaotic than it was before because everything's mixed in together. So I'm not really impressed by it, but we're just gonna leave it because I did declutter some stuff. Morning and night routine, like that I use every day, is right here. Masks and moisturizers, tanning stuff, all that here. It's just there. And then I have my face makeup and then all my other makeup here. So these guys are my minis. So I'm gonna use those for traveling and then put those in my travel bags, which I'll keep in my bedroom. This stuff I'm going to give to my mom because I think she uses these products from what I've given her in the past in PR, and then I'm gonna see if she wants this foundation. It's too light for me, and it also, think it will work with her skin tone better than mine. Those I need to put in my extras pile that I just said is for my minis and travel. That is extra. And then here, it's a little bit more organized. Just my moisturizing products. Oh, also, I don't know if I said this in the past. When I get out of the shower, sorry, that's my face thing. I've been mixing 2 pumps of this with this moisturizer just all over my body, and it is amazing on my dry skin, especially this winter. So that is all in there, which is perfect. My travel shampoo and body wash is there for when my sister stays over. She has a cup and her toothbrush, Q-tips, feminine product, toilet paper, and then my extra soaps and body washes and stuff are there. And then this is a lot more organized. Still a little chaotic, but is more organized. So I have all of my, either my straightener or my blowout thing. I don't know what that is actually called. This is the Shark. I got this off Facebook Marketplace for 60 bucks and I really, really enjoy it. Also, this is really good too. I've been using, that's new. I got it at Marshall's. I really like it. It makes my hair very voluminous. Tidy all this up and kind of put things where they need to go, and then we'll get downstairs and do some meal prep. Alrighty, so we're back in the kitchen. Oh, I'm getting zit. Of course I am. So last night, Brendan and I had beer can chicken for dinner. So we have the carcass here of what's left of said chicken. So we're gonna make broth. So one thing that I do, and I'll show you, is I save all of my veggie scraps and then I throw them in the freezer for broth. This just has like celery, broccoli, cauliflower, onions, carrots, all that sort of stuff. So I'm just gonna throw this and that in a pot of water and let it simmer for 2 hours. Probably around 7, I think, is when I'll take it off, strain it, and then I have my broth. While I'm waiting for that to boil, I'm just gonna show you our mudroom. We have walls. This is so exciting. I don't know if you guys remember, but that's what our mudroom looked like before. We just had the insulation and the vapor barrier up. Exciting. It just feels so spacious and bright in here. I love it. Now that that broth is going, I'm gonna get started and make my dates. This is great. I get these dates at Costco. I find this is the most cost effective. I think these are about $8 and you get 2 pounds of it. So basically you are cutting the dates and like deep hitting them. Pour a little bit of peanut butter in the little crevice that you are making. The chocolate, dip the dates in the chocolate and then sprinkle with sea salt and then throw them in the freezer. It's a top-notch dessert. This, I haven't had it in a while. I used to make it all of last summer. I would have 2 a day. I would have 1 in the afternoon as like a sweet treat pick-me-up and then 1 after dinner. And it's so good. So I'm super excited to have this back in my routine of food. I feel like each season I go through waves of like what I want. It's what I want right now. So we're gonna get to making these. Okay, I'm gonna pop these in the freezer for about 20-ish minutes and then I'll come back to dipping them in chocolate. And then we just pop it in the freezer. Okay, sorry to keep you waiting if you were even waiting. I can't remember what the last clip was, but my battery died. So we have potatoes on for mashed potatoes, and we have some green beans. The broth is almost done. I've turned it off. It's simmer. It smells amazing. I'm so excited. It just smells like Thanksgiving dinner in here. Brendan has the lamb on the smoker. Also, I put the chocolate dates in here, so that's ready to go for snacking, which is amazing. And we also made Vesper martinis, the James Bond shaken not stirred, and they're pretty good. They're very alcohol-y, I will admit. I'm gonna be sipping this for a while with some water. And when we're done dinner, I'll strain it and then I'm gonna pour it in a container. And then tomorrow, scrape off all the fat that will flow up to the top. And then it'll be good for freezing. Brendan has smoked, reverse seared lamb chops. I'm so excited. These smell amazing. I've never had lamb. At least I don't think I have. So I'm so excited. I'm going to end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. So anyway, I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day. Subscribe if you want to continue watching more cleaning, cooking, hanging out kind of vibes. I feel like that's kind of what the channel is all about. So I would love for you to stick around if you enjoy this type of content. And yeah, I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you so much for tuning in and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.